centenary event. This event is a culmination of a year-long project funded by Service Canada's New Horizons for Seniors program. My name is Cristina Ojeda. With me today is beautiful young lady Karma Youdon, and we will be your MCs today. It is our pleasure to showcase the beautiful dresses that we seniors and youth have made. It has been a year-long journey of fun interaction and learning experiences. Before we go any further, I would like to bring a few housekeeping items to your attention. Today's program will be from 2 to 4 here in this auditorium, followed by light refreshment in the lobby. Washrooms are located just outside the entrance of the auditorium, and you may also access the ones in the library. We ask that you please keep your cell phones on silent for the duration of the program.
This event is hosted in conjunction with International Women's Day, which is observed on March 8th across the world. International Women's Day is a global event celebrating the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. Our inspiration to connect this event with International Women's Day has been the notion of women fighting for their rights while finding innovative ways to express themselves over the course of last century. Women's emancipation throughout the past 100 years has enabled us to feel good about the choices we make in expressing ourselves through fashion and style, which is so very important to our self-esteem and confidence.
How true? This event is about feeling good, about being part of something truly innovative. But I don't want to give it all away yet. To start us off with this afternoon, please help me welcome Ranju Gil, CIWA's board director, to bring us greetings from CIWA's board of directors.